What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideable channel. This is your host. Today I'm out here with the Telaria Sting R. I'm about to do the first oil change on there, and I'm gonna switch these handlebars out. But anyway, I'm gonna switch these out. I have these handlebars right here. They're like a surround style. What you call it? I got them from JFG Racing. They're about a 3-inch rise. So I'm gonna switch the stock handlebars out for those. We're gonna start with doing the oil change first. Get that out there. I never did an oil change on this thing. And then swap out the handlebars. Let's see where it went. I forgot to bring my, what you call this? I'm gonna just use this cup right here. Guess this oil is dirty, I would imagine. Okay. So this is the fill plug right here. I had to fight this off with my long fingers. Alright, so I put the plug back and then fill it up. Tone put his foot in there.
That shit black as shit.
Word up. This opened it up, bro.
That's real or front?
I gotta punch this right here. Put this in there. I guess I do it slowly. Yeah, it's going in. It's coming up. So I'm gonna just keep doing this till I get it all in there. Okay, I got most of it in there. Well, they recommend you put this entire tube in there. Or 150 ml. Session 73, he hoisted the front of the bike up in order to get all of this in there. Or the 100 and the recommended 100 and I think he said 150 milliliters. Okay, this is what I ended up doing. Got one of the ramps inside the shop. And I rolled up the front wheel, so I hoisted up the front wheel a little. It's not that high off the ground, what, maybe 8-9 inches. And now I got most of it in there. It's just, I don't know what's in here, if any is left in here. But I got most of it in there. It's filled to the top. Raising it up does help it to really fill up. But yeah, raising it up does help in filling up, you know, with the recommended amount of oil. So now, this is in an awkward spot. Let me see if I can get this back in. Minimal effort. You gotta have tiny fingers maybe, man, I don't know. Yeah, this is in an awkward spot. Okay, I finally got this plug back in. Man, nobody mentioned it, but this thing was a terror to get back in. This was harder getting on and off than releasing this and loosening the drain plug. I'm wiping all this stuff off so when I come back I can see if anything is leaking or not. So I got this started right here. I mean, this is easy going. You put one bolt here, one on the other side, a nut and bolt right here, and same on the other side. Okay, now I got a few people asking me if my handlebars are on backwards. They're not on backwards. I just have them to the highest point. See, if they was on backwards, these lines would be back here, which wouldn't be right. So they are on straight. If I was to twist them around, they would look real funny. But they are just up to probably the highest point. That's why they look kind of, I know they look funny. A lot of times I thought this too, but I realized they was up high. I have these was on my stealth bomber also before I put those BMX bars on there. These should give me a little more rise, maybe an inch or two, but these like a 3-inch rise. So I'm gonna put these on there. But now I'm fighting to get this grip off. I just went upstairs and got me a little, trust me, my silicone spray. This is what I always use. I already started. Spray a little of this up on the hair each time. And do a little of this. Okay, got it off. Okay. I like the fact that they came with black bolts already. So I'm gonna just slide everything off here. Off. Okay, this goes on first, I believe. I'm gonna slide everything on over here. Yeah, so just tighten everything down. Yeah, brakes, tighten that down. I pretty much put everything back together. All right. Trying to tighten everything in place. Okay, that's how she look. Sexy with the bigger, higher bars on there. Okay, y'all, I'm on the bike. Got the new handlebars. Y'all got the new handlebars. I think about 3-inch rides. But yeah, they feel a lot better. I don't know why they don't sell Surrounds with Surrounds, Telarias. These bikes put BMX bars on them, like a BMX style bar. It could be the low rides too, like 2-inch. And then I don't know why they don't put the handlebar risers on this thing. Why they got these mountain bike stems on here? I feel like that's the one thing missing from these bikes. You know, one of the things that's missing is they should change the handlebar setup. Yeah, this thing feels nice with the higher handlebars. I wonder if they'll help my wheelie in. I'm not gonna try right now. The later date, I'm gonna try probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go where some grass is at. Well, this thing comes right up. That little tapping noise under there driving me crazy. When I hear shit tapping, you know, when I hear stuff tapping like that, it sounds, give me the impression of the feeling like something wrong. But it's funny, like when I'm on the throttle, you don't hear that tapping stuff. One thing I noticed, the takeoff on this thing is so smooth. I mean, you can let it snap if you want, but you could just ease. The Super 73 is kind of smooth too, but this takes off real smooth. It takes off a little smooth. I can't even describe it. It takes off smooth, but it still got a little oomph to it, but it takes off so smooth. Things feel nice. Oh my goodness. You know what? After I go up this hill and I go across the bridge, it's about a hill equal to this one going down. So I'm gonna put the regen on 4 for that. I'm gonna play around with the regen, being I can't turn it off. I might as well have some fun with it. On 1 is not that bad, but I still would like my bike to coast out a little more. Empire Roller Rink Casino, this Yonkers Raceway right there. Empire City Casino. Okay, over there is a hill going down. So I'm gonna stop and put the regen up to 4 and see how much of a difference that makes. If any difference. See if I get any, you know. Because I've been bashing the regen, but I never, you know what I mean? I never tried it, so. Let me see what regen do for me. There's that hill coming up. Right when we go down, this is Yonkers. It's like up and down hills. It's almost like San Fran, but I think San Fran is a little more. I think San Fran is maybe a little more hilly. I don't know. So yeah, where I'm at now, I don't know how this works, but I'm at 79%. So I'm gonna see if I get anything back after I come off this, go down this hill. I'm gonna let it coast down the hill, see what happens. Service clear. Yeah, I'm wondering if I should have drove because I gotta go to Connecticut probably at 9 o'clock. Sounded real close just now. Dang, that slows the bike down drastically. Oh my god. Yo! Yo, regen slows the bike down. Oh my goodness. I think this is more drastic than the Surround. Wow. going 20 miles an hour. Oh my God, I'm skating on this hill. Wow. I just want to get through this light. This is crazy right here. I can't use regen. I can't do this. I didn't realize it slowed the bike down that much. Oh shit. Well, guess what? I'm gonna turn it down. But we can really go up a hill. See, it's back on one. It's back on one. I don't like regen. Not like this. This is incorporated in your brakes or something. They'll give you the option to use it if you want to. And I ain't getting nothing back. I didn't get anything back. Trying to get around this car right here. Put traffic on. But yeah, we in Yonkers right now. I don't know if this is still Nepperham. But we've been in Yonkers for a minute. But anyway, this thing sounds like a toy. Check some of my beef right quick. I think I put some signals on here. Especially a brake light. Okay, we in Gady Square right now. Get a rattling stuff, man. And I can't see anything rattling. My battery is really packed in there. I found pretty much that same material that they use. I found something similar on Amazon, and I cut them down into little squares and I put them where the feet things are. And so the battery is really packed in there now. So that's not moving. I even have problems closing this thing. So I know it's not the battery. I know it's not the battery, so I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on here. That's the Hudson River straight ahead. Home in the motor vehicle. I just want to circle over here by the water real quick. I haven't been over here in a long time. That's Jersey over there. It's about 3-4 miles that separates us from Jersey right here. That's crazy. When you think about it, it's crazy. They got some kind of carnival going on over here. In summary, I'm gonna say this is a worthwhile mod. These raised handlebars, if you're ever thinking about it, I would say yeah, you should definitely do it. It's a cheap mod too. I don't even think I paid about $50 for these handlebars on Amazon maybe. I got them from JFC Racing, their Saran style. They said they're Saran handlebars. I'm gonna change them again because I like having a bar across that crash bar with the pad and everything. The BMX style or whatever.